topic is assessment approaches based on Bloom's revised taxonomy. So Bloom's taxonomy is a system for classifying objectives, process, principles, questions, assignments and facts in a hierarchy from simple to complex and from concrete to abstract. And this taxonomy was created in 1956 by Dr. Benjamin Bloom. He is Dr. Benjamin Bloom, and it means moving students, students and their cognitive abilities from lower order thinking skills to higher order thinking skills. And this taxonomy was organized into three domains, which are cognitive, affective and psychomotor, and these three domains are interrelated and mutually dependent. So cognitive domain, in cognitive domain there are 6 levels called knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis and evaluation. Then affective domain, in this domain there are 5 levels, which are receiving, responding, valuing, organizing and characterizing. And in psychomotor domain there are 5 levels, which are imitation, manipulation, precision, articulation and naturalization. And in Bloom's revised taxonomy, here Bloom's revised taxonomy, Loring W. Anderson, who is a former student of Bloom, and David R. Krakow, one of the co-authors of Bloom's book. So they both lead a team and revised Bloom's taxonomy. The result was published in 2001, and the revised taxonomy appears similar with some significant changes, like replacement of the nouns to appropriate verbs, and a change in the order of verbs, especially in the last 2 levels were interchanged. For example, here the noun forms are changed into verb forms. For example, knowledge is changed into remember, comprehension is changed into understand, application is changed into apply, analyze is changed into analyze, synthesis is changed into create, and evaluation is changed into evaluate. And here the last 2 levels are interchanged. Okay. Next, so here Bloom's taxonomy. In Bloom's taxonomy, these are the levels of cognitive domain, which are remember, understand, apply, analyze, evaluate and create. Next, remember. Remember means recognize relevant knowledge from long-term memory, and appropriate, here appropriate learning outcome works. These are the learning outcome works which we gain through the level remember. And in remember, we should ask questions like the questions which are grammatically correct and should not contain irrelevant material, making it ambiguous, and avoid double negatives. Okay. Next, understand. Here understand means demonstrate the facts and ideas by organizing, comparing, translating the main ideas. Here these are the appropriate learning outcomes. So assessing using concept map. So we can assess using concept map, like create opportunities to devise students' critical thinking and develop students' critical thinking, and we should provide feedbacks on students' concept, like what is good, what is wrong, and what are the mistakes they did and how they rectify those mistakes. Next, apply. Here use information or a skill in a new situation. So here these are the appropriate learning outcome verbs. And assessing using peer teaching. Peer teaching means matching of experts or new one. So here in peer teaching we should match students, like one student is expert and the other student is new one to that particular idea, and provide instructions to experts, positive reinforcement, and use group strategies. Next, assessing using quizzes. So here it assess analytical skills, and short quizzes are used to check students' understanding and review quick answers. It is the most important thing. Next, analyze. Here analyze means break material into parts and determine how the parts relate to one another, and overall structure or purpose of those parts or ideas. Next, these are the appropriate learning outcome verbs. And assessing using exams. Here various questions formats to assess both lower and higher order thinking skills, and also we can assess using assignments and reports. Here the students can explain the purpose and uses of those assignments, and provide models for written assignments. It is the most important thing, and share grading rubric, and we should provide feedback. So these are the grading rubrics. It means grading system. And evaluate, here make judgments based on criteria and standards. These are the appropriate learning outcomes. And assessing using debate, we can provide current issues as topic and provide guidelines on the structure of debate. And here there must be only 3 students in each group. In each side we should take 3 students. So here the next one is create, put elements together to form a new coherent or functional whole. So we reorganize elements into a new pattern or structure. So these are the appropriate learning outcome work. And here by creating we can write a thesis, invent a product, compose a piece of music, or we can write a play. Thank you.